Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can check your Equifax credit score. Checking your credit score is an important step in managing your financial health. A higher score can lead to better interest rates on loans and credit cards. You can check your Equifax credit score in several ways, and many of them are free. The most straightforward way is to go directly to the Equifax website. You can create a free account, which often provides you with access to your credit report and a monthly credit score. This score is typically a Vantage score, which is a different scoring model from the more commonly known FICO score. Another reliable source is annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website where you can get a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a week. While the report itself doesn't always include a score, it provides all the information that is used to calculate your score. Many credit card companies and banks also offer free credit scores to their customers as a part of their online account services. It's worth checking your existing accounts to see if this is an option for you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.